KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy mixed chicken and fungi pasta. It's also an episode of Cooking with MS, why I could hardly walk, yet alone use my hands on this particular night. I had to use up the last of my roast chicken. It's the last video in our series. Alright, here I've got some basil paste. Alright, I've got a can of cream of mushroom soup, freshly ground black pepper. Alright, some frozen peas. Right, very simple. I've got about 5 mushrooms that are thinly sliced up like that. I've got the leftover of our 1 pan roast chicken meal and a little bit of smoked chicken, some onion powder and a little bit of garlic paste. Alright, now simply knob of butter into the bottom of a saucepan. I'm using my wok because it films better. Throw those mushrooms in and let those cook for around about 5 to 6 minutes or so, until we get a nice little bit of colour on them. Alright, and nothing better than mushrooms cooked in butter. Alright, as you can see, 5 minutes is gone. We've got some really nice colour. A lot of the moisture's come out of those mushrooms. Now we simply have to start assembling. I'm going to show you how easy this is to do. Right, in goes our peas. I'm not even using a tripod for this video. I sort of leaned up against the refrigerator and sort of held it. In goes our smoked chicken, right, straight like that. In goes the rest of our roast chicken, right, throw that all in just like that, all the kiddies in the pool. All right, give that a bit of a stir, and add in a little bit of our garlic paste just like that. And the garlic paste, I tell you what, it is definitely worth buying. You won't have garlic sprouting on you, and you don't forget to use it. I'm using up the last of my basil paste. Why? Because there's only a little bit left, and I've got a little basil plant that I've just been playing with. And add in a little bit of onion powder instead of using a chopped onion. The onion powder is just a little bit more convenient. Alright, simply that goes all in. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. I like mine a little bit peppery, nothing wrong with that. It just gives you a nice interesting flavour. Sprinkle that all over the top. Okay, as you can see, we've done very little in the way of cooking at the moment. That won't take very long at all. Alright, next step I'm going to do is basically, I have a interesting ingredient which is my secret to making a really quick, easy, inexpensive pasta. Yep, the cream of mushroom soup. That goes in, and with the fresh mushrooms, the combination of those two gives you a really nice mushroomy flavour. Okay, so gonna make sure I get all that soup out, so a little splash of water, give that a swirl, put that in, and all we're simply going to do now is let that cook away. Give that a really good stir through. Alright, now use the pasta of your choice. We're using some penne. We're just cooking that as per the instructions on the packet. Alright, if you can read, you can cook pasta. Just put that into the microwave or into a saucepan. When it's finished, strain that off. No need to reserve any of the liquor for this dish. It is quite a light dish as it is. Alright, so there we go. We've got our base. All we have to simply do now is add our pasta and we are done. Really quick and easy meal. We're only up to around about not even up to 4 minutes yet. Alright, so I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. It is easy. In goes our penne. All we simply have to do now is stir that through and serve. If you want to use a little bit of Parmesan cheese over the top, you certainly can, and it would work absolutely perfectly. Alright, so I'd like to see you try and make this one at home. Really nice and easy to do. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. It should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit the notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Hey, leave a comment. Love reading and I love responding to them. If you want to learn how to make a pasta dish in, I kid you not, in less time than it took for the pasta to cook, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my easy mixed chicken and fungi pasta, and I will catch you next time.